I think what the defense is going to try to do is to establish that Richard Allen was being held in inappropriate or grossly inappropriate circumstances.
The defense called Dr. Deanna Dwinger, a supervisor who works in the behavioral health field for the Indiana Department of Corrections.
I think they're going to basically try to lay Richard Allen's mental health condition at the foot of the Department of Corrections and the very harsh treatment he basically received.
Dwinger testified that state psychologist Monica Walla told her she had personal interest in Allen after she was assigned to his case. She claims Walla said she is a true crime fan and listened to Delphi podcasts.
I think that actually the supervisor was trying to draw a very careful distinction between somebody who sought to treat Richard Allen because of a pre-existing interest in the case and someone who became interested in the case after she began treating a suspect.
Allen was on camera in his cell, which concerned Dwinger. She says she recommended cameras be removed, but they never were. Dwinger says she could hear Allen regularly threatened by other inmates.
I think that the defense is going to use the camera that was never removed from the cell basically as another plank in the fence to erect a very strong argument that Mr. Allen's treatment by the Department of Corrections was overblown.
Dwinger says Allen was designated as having serious mental illness. According to the Department of Corrections, no one with serious mental illness should be in solitary confinement for more than 30 days. Allen was in solitary confinement for 13 months, something Jody says the defense will use to discredit the alleged confessions.
They were basically hallucinations, delusions of a psychotic inmate who had been driven to that point by the conditions of his confinement.